Hey everybody, what is going... Ooh. I'm not blocked in, but I'm close. What is going on? I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year's, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, including Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, anything else I might have missed. But hope everyone's doing okay and enjoyed their holiday and or days off school and work. Today, let me see if I can. Today we are going to go to the store to get a new air filter because the one of my little air filters underneath the car, not my main one, needs replaced. I'm gonna see if I can get under there without jacking the car up, just to make it easier. I don't know. Here we go. I can flip this around so that way you can see. But right in there, that one's not, actually let's do this so you can get a better look. It's not looking the best. So we're gonna take that one off today. We're gonna go to the store, get a new one, get it installed. It shouldn't take long as they have it, and or one similar to it. Just gonna prop you up right there. It's pretty simple and quick. Pretty much just get a screwdriver. These are weird angles, and I wish I would have brought my keys out here so I could turn the wheel. But yeah, you pretty much just get a screwdriver. One way is to tighten it, the other way is to loosen it. Come on, get in there. There we go. And it takes a flathead. That should... I don't know if I can reach back there. It should... Let's see if I can just... You can reach it. Ooh. Alright. But I also, come on, get off of there. Get off of there. So it might be... I'm gonna have to go inside, get the keys, that way I can rotate the wheel to have a better angle. And of course I locked the door. But I also ordered something else for the car. I know in the previous video I had already told y'all I ordered something, but what I just ordered isn't as big of anything for the car. It's just some simple stuff. When I got it, they had resprayed it when it got stateside. So what they did is they took the badge off. So I just had to go in and, I got a new badge that I just ordered, the GTR badge for the back. So I ordered one of those. I did not receive an email as far as saying when it should come in. I ordered it, what was it, New Year's, not New Year's Eve, either the day before New Year's Eve or on New Year's Eve. So I figure it'll be a couple days before they actually get to it and get it sent out. Something they probably have in stock, just have to either go and grab or get from their supply. I'm gonna have to put the battery in. Wonderful. Well, we're gonna put the battery in. We might as well move it around. So, I guess today's video just got a little bit more involved. So, yeah, since we're already out here, we have the keys and we'll be throwing the battery in. There was another little issue that I had found out, and that is, I think I've solved the issue of where my gas leak comes from. So, let me get the light so you can see. Weird with this thing on. So, if we flip this around right here, as you can see right here from the difference of coloration, I'm pretty sure the gas was coming up through here, leaking out this way and then underneath my spare tire. And that is where it was coming from, and then from there it'd go past and underneath the fuel tank, drop to the bottom, and then drip out. So, starting up today will also give me a chance to open this up and figure out if that truly is what's happening. So, since I'm already having to put the battery in it to move the wheel, I'll go ahead, I'll open this up. I already put the hose back on because it wasn't fully on. So that could have been what it was, and if so, wonderful, problem solved. If not, then we'll look at some other solutions. Let me find where I put my screwdriver. It's right up here by the front where I left it. But just put you over there. Yeah, so I've already checked out some other options. If what I just said was not the issue, just putting the hose back on all the way, then I've already looked at some other fuel sending units. One of them is just a factory repair kit. So it's just to repair the factory one. I'm pretty sure just the upper half, and replaces everything, and or you just get what you need off of it, fix what you have to. The other one I looked at is an aftermarket 1, 2, or 3 fuel pump system.